Do you want to mention someone in Messenger Notes? You can tag someone on Messenger Notes with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To mention someone in Messenger Notes. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the chat list, tap on Add a Note or drop a thought above your profile picture. Now, a text box will appear where you can type your note. To mention someone, type the @ symbol followed by the person's name or username. Messenger will show a list of matching friends at the bottom of the screen. Select the correct profile to tag them in the note. If this feature is not available in your account, please update the app from Play Store or App Store. You can add text or emojis along with the mention. Once your note is ready, tap the Share button at the top right corner. Now, your note with the mentioned friend will be posted and visible to the selected audience.